Respected principal and teacher, good afternoon everyone. My name is Khashali Sushil Bure with my group member Mr. Bhavesh Chawla, Ms. Prachi Shah, Mr. Sudhanshu Bajpai and Ms. Prachi Borate. We are from NIT Polytechnic Nabgud CSE department and our project topic name is Feedback System for NIT Polytechnic. These are the content of our project. Problem definition of project. So there were some problem in previous system which we had overcome in this system. The old application has a problem that one student could give feedback many times which make the improper feedback report. Also, the user interface of the old application which has been used was not proper. This is abstract of project. In this project, we are making feedback system for NIT Polytechnic, which is totally browser-based application. With the help of this application, student can give their feedback for college faculties and college facilities. Nowadays, educational institutes are paying increasing attention to the view of students on the environment of learning and teaching through reviews or feedbacks. Introduction. The feedback system is fully developed for college students and staff members. Also, the student can give an opinion for faculties and student has to choose from excellent, very good, good, satisfactory and poor. The role of the principal is to create HOD login to see the feedback report given by student, and the role of the HOD is to create faculty login and create a student login in which they will use to give a feedback. So this feedback system is perfect place to find feedback according to requirement, and it is efficient to get feedback from student and staff. For further slide will be explained by Mr. Bhavesh Chawla.
Good afternoon everyone, my name is Bhavesh Chawla and now I will explain the further slides of this presentation. So the next slide of this presentation is the objectives of feedback system. So the main objective of this application is to take feedback from students regarding various topics related to college and faculties. For example, discipline and punctuality, domain knowledge, presentation skills, etc. This web application provides a proper guided system to generate an accurate feedback for faculties and college. Next slide. So the next slide shows the flowchart for principal login and HOD login. So the flowchart for principal login has two options. One is login and the second one is register. If the principal doesn't have an account for this web application, then he will register for an account and he will fill all the required details, and through this he will acquire the user ID and password for principal login. If the principal already have an account for this, then he will log in through his login details, that is username and password, and can access to any information related to the HODs, faculties, students and feedbacks given by students. Similar process goes for the HOD's flowchart. HOD's flowchart also have two options, login and register. If the HOD doesn't have an account for HOD login, then he will register for account and will fill all the required details, and through this he will acquire the user ID and password for HOD login. If the HOD already have an account, then he will log in through his user ID and password and can access to any information related to faculties, students and feedback given by students. Next slide. So the next slide shows the flowchart for student login. All the HODs of the respective branches will provide all the students with their user ID and password Through this user ID and password, student can gain access to their account and can give feedback related to the college and faculties, and can submit their views. Now for the further explanation will be given by Prachi Borate. Thank you.
Good afternoon to everyone. I am Prachi Borate. Now I explain the further slide advantages of feedback system. The first advantage of feedback system is automatic reduce error. Automatic reduce error means your machinery can react automatically to whatever the data is telling it. And the second advantage of feedback system is improve stability. This means access to key data information in real time. And the third advantages of feedback system is increase robustness against external disturbances. This means a feedback device will enable you to gain control of your equipment's output. And the fourth advantages of feedback system is reliable and repeatable. This means having access to information from a feedback device means you can ensure your machinery is reliable. And the next slide is key features of feedback system. And the first key features of feedback system is proper report generation mechanism. This means a report generation is a computer program whose purpose is to take a data from a source such as a database, an XML stream, or a spreadsheet. And the second key feature of feedback system is user-friendly interface. This means user-friendly describes a hardware device or software interface that is easy to use. And the third key feature of feedback system is printable facility or report. This means a printable facility reports is a classified as any construction or renovation activity that changes the function, use or occupancy of a physical space or eliminates services, utilize or architecture.
I am Subhanshu Bajpayee, and this is the output of our project. This is the home page. There are 3 logins in it: principal login, HOD login, and student login. As you can see, there is username and password it accepts. This is the principal login. When the principal login, this screen will show up, and he can add delete HODs according department wise, and can check and feedback reports from here. This is the HOD generation page in principal login. The principal has to write the full name of HOD, select the branch, set username and set password, and then click on add HOD. As you can see, current HOD name, username and password is generated. This is the feedback report page of principal login. The feedback given by student will be shown according to this in this format to the principal. He can select a branch and select the semester and apply filter to check the proper feedbacks. This is the home page of HOD login. Here the HOD add and delete the faculties and add delete students and can check the feedback reports. This is the add delete faculty page of HOD login. From here, HOD has to write the full name of faculty. He has to select a branch, semester and subject he teaches, and then add teacher. As we can see, the current faculty added is Amol T. Mankar, branch here, semester 4th, subject software engineering. This is the add delete student page of HOD login. He has to select the CSV file which will be uploaded of the student and the count of name of branch, and upload that file to generate the credential of students. This is the report generation format in HOD login. This is the student login page for faculty and college facilities, and if the student has already filled the feedback, the message will be displayed: you have already filled the feedback, please log out. Further slides will be explained by Prachi Shahi.
I am Prachi Prakash Shao. These are the requirements of our project. The first is minimum hardware requirements are 2 GB RAM and processor Intel. The second is minimum software requirements are operating system, any operating system you have available. The second is application, that is browser, and languages PHP, MySQL, HTML and CSS. The next slide is future scope. The system may be further modified and updated to its more simple architecture. If the institute is willing, then the principal could add more details of students and HOD. An HOD could give more information of student to maintain. Also, student record of giving feedback could be maintained with some changes in a structure and workflow of the website. At the end of presentation, our project conclusion is from a proper analysis of positive points and constraint of program, it can be safely concluded that the program is highly efficient GUI-based program. This website can be easily accessed on any web browser and working properly. This project solved the all issue of report generation, and this project meets the requirements of institute. Thank you. Now, Sudhanshu Bajpai and Bhavesh Chawla will demonstrate the live project.
This is our home page for our project: principal console, HOD console and student console. So in principal console, we will first log in with the username and then by entering the password. So this page will pop up when the principal will log in, and he can add HODs according to the department. As you can see, one HOD, that is Satyajit Deshmukh, is added here. The name, username and password and the branch. The principal can also delete the HOD from here. So now on HOD console, we will log in with the username and the password. So this is the page of HOD. From HOD, he can add, delete any faculty. Like suppose that faculty is deleted, no faculty is entered. So now I will enter one faculty here. It will show faculty record inserted. Now add delete student. HOD can add the student and create the credential of students from here. By selecting an CSV file of the student name. And by clicking on generate student credentials, student record will be inserted in the database. Let us check it out. As we can see in student details, this record is inserted. Now we will log out from here and check out on student console by entering username and password. Suppose this is the username of student. So the student will be login from here. He can give the feedback of faculty. So as we can see, welcome Sudhanshu Vajpayee, CO 6 semester, and the name of faculty pops here. And let's and then college facilities. Feedback inserted. So now you have already filled the feedback. Please log out. And suppose we have to see the report. A principal has to see the report. So he will log in and click on see feedback reports. From here he can see the feedback reports, name and subject. He can also apply the filter by selecting specific branch and specific semester. So and also HOD can also see the reports. So this was the project. Thank you.